In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to take notes in Google Calendar. By the end, you'll know exactly where to capture quick thoughts and to-dos without leaving your calendar, so you can plan and take notes in one place. First, open Google Calendar in your web browser. You'll land on the main calendar view with your days, weeks, or months laid out. Take a second to get oriented. Your events are front and center, and we'll be working with a slim tools panel tucked along the right edge of the screen. Look to the right-hand side of the calendar for a vertical strip of small icons. Among them, you'll see a yellow light bulb. That bulb is the shortcut to Google Keep, which is where your notes live. Keep is tightly integrated with Calendar, so you can jot things down while you're scheduling and come back to them later from the same place. Click the yellow bulb to open the Keep panel. It will slide out over your calendar without taking you away from what you're doing. At the top of this panel, you'll see a field labeled Take a Note. That's exactly where we're going. Click into Take a Note. You'll notice the cursor appears in a simple text area. This is perfect for quick thoughts, meeting prep, or a short checklist you want handy as you move through your day. You may also notice optional fields like a title or formatting features. Those can help you organize, but the basic flow is simply to type what you need. Now type the notes you need for your list. Keep it clear and actionable. If you're capturing several points, add line breaks between items so they're easy to scan at a glance. Because the note sits alongside your calendar, you can reference it while checking time slots or reviewing upcoming events, which makes it ideal for planning. When you're finished, click Done. This saves the note immediately and collapses it into your Keep list within the same side panel. You can reopen it anytime by clicking on it there. The next time you come back to Google Calendar, the yellow bulb will still be on the right, and your saved notes will be just a click away. That's it. You opened Google Calendar, found the Keep panel on the right, created a note in the Take a Note box, typed what you needed, and clicked Done to save it. Simple, fast, and always within reach while you plan your day.